I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page, select a form. Click Next. Search and select Actions. FlowMattic. Give here the webhook link. So go to the FlowMattic WordPress panel. Click on Webhook. Copy the webhook URL. And capture the webhook data. Go to the integration site and paste that URL here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the FlowMattic site. And choose your desired action. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action event. Connect to MailChimp. For Authorize with MailChimp, complete all the process. Select an audience list. Map the respective fields. Subscription status. Save and test action. Save workflow. Now click on the left button and keep the workflow live. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to your MailChimp site. Here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp. So, in this way, you can send your data via FlowMattic. Thanks for watching.